All right, going to a little unboxing. You see here I have a SightMark 5-time tactical magnifier with side-to-side mount. Okay, I've already opened the box and haven't had a look at it. So that's supposed to go behind my AT3 Leos Tactical red dot with the laser. Let me get this open. Oh, sorry guys, bear with me here. I was trying to do this. I was trying to do this one-handed. I don't know why. Get out of the picture there. Hold on a second. Let's see, I told you I had already opened it. Got the user manual there. Bear with me here. Okay. Now, this comes with the mount. Okay. Just seems like it's fairly sturdy. Okay, with a quick mount there. It also comes with this little leaflet that gives you all the other products that are available from them, and a little Allen wrench and a little convenient little pouch. And let me pull this out of the bag over here. Excuse me. Oh, there's the magnifier itself. So it's pretty big and robust. It's not what I expected. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller. I guess I should have paid more attention to the dimensions when I ordered it. But maybe because it's 5 times magnifier versus a 3 times magnifier, that it's a little bit larger. But it does have the up and down and the windage elevation that you use the Allen key. So we'll get this mounted up and then I'll show you what it looks like. Stay tuned for the part 2.